Okay, using relevant class materials, please identify and describe how this 1905 Santa Fe Harvey Co. leaflet for the Hopi House employs aesthetic conventions we have studied. Identify and discuss 2 examples. How does this cultural product depict the class status of indigenous peoples? The Hopi House leaflet, written in 1905 by Fred Harvey, outlines the Hopi Indians and their culture. The leaflet goes into detail on their way of life, their ceremonies and customs, where they live, the seemingly flipped roles of men and women, and more. The most obvious aesthetic convention employed in the first few sentences is primitivism. Harvey states they live on the border of the Painted Desert, about 150 miles distant, in 7 isolated villages. He's implying they lived closer to nature, and also implies that because they are closer to nature, they are morally and spiritually superior. He does this through the use of words such as devoting and greatest and finest. Harvey also employs the aesthetic convention of the noble savage. While speaking on the Hopi Indians, he also mentions the Navajos and the Supais. He profiles all 3 as the noble savage by illustrating them as rational, traditional, and harmonic with nature and spirits. Harvey is very admirable through the entirety of the leaflet, and I think that in turn this portrays the indigenous peoples of a higher class status.